Hey Julian, my name's Leah, shout out from Tempe, Arizona, and I wanted to show you my old nasty shoes. Now, mine have not been thrown up on, but I'd say that they've been through some nasty stuff. These are the first ones, original Vans polka dot. They're coming apart, they're kind of yellowing, they got the rubber stuff coming off. They still have tread, but that's surprising. I haven't thrown them away because I've had them since freshman year of high school probably, and I learned to skateboard in them, so good memories. I have flip-flops next. I don't know if you can see, but they're actually like rubbing away the white stuff on them. There's spots. You can clearly see where my foot's been. That's disgusting. I wore these to Warped Tour like 3 times last summer, so good memories in these ones, and I've had them for, I think I've only had them for a year, which is, no, yeah, I've had them for a year. That's really disgusting that you can see my foot in them, though. And then these are the best ones. These are my purple snakeskin shoes. And you can see they're kind of dusty. They have holes in them right here. They're coming apart at the heel. Then these are my show shoes. I pretty much wear them to every show that I go to. So lots of good memories, and I'm never throwing them away. They're so comfortable. They're ridiculous. So cool. See you later.